Hi guys, so we'll see how to create your first program in Java. Now right click here, new project, give the project name, select as a project, Java project, give the project name, whatever you want. I'll just say demo and then you know finish the project. Now once project is finished, expand in source, just create a package. The package name should be you know first, and then you can give anything. Now I am giving first, so I'll now inside package create a class. The class name will be first program. Now check this main method and click on finish. This first program, this is the class name, and now print a line here using SYSO and then control and space bar. It will just do system.out.print.ln. Now print here hello world and run your program as a Java application. So look, your first program is executed, that is hello world. Thanks for watching.